Hello. I was using my Kubota BX2230 to move some snow piles, and it felt a little squirrely, and discovered I had blown the bead off the tire. So I'm going to try to lift the front end with the bucket, put a ratchet strap on it, see if I can't get it to set the bead again. And it looks promising, especially here, but there not so much. But I'm going to give it a shot. Looks like where the ratchet is really putting a lot of force on it. So worst case, I'll throw a second one on and then probably seal that gap. So let's put some air in it and see if it pops it back on. That did it. Fantastic. All right, well, we'll pump this up to the appropriate PSI. We'll be back in business. I'm glad that worked.